My peeps, I'm going to hurt you with the truth, not a lie, goddammit. All right. I'm going to be straight. There's so many of you out there who want to talk about all of what you're doing, but you don't have the fucking balls to take the first step. The first step is almost always, literally always, the thing or the step that people miss, meaning they don't take the fucking first step. They don't even get out of the goddamn gate. If you find yourself thinking about doing something for more than a few fucking seconds, give yourself a fucking swat in the goddamn chin, a swift fucking kick to your own fucking nuts. Get the fuck out of your chair and start fucking doing something. You'd rather be making progress, doing something, than sitting around fucking thinking about what you want to do. Nothing is going to land in your fucking lap. If you're busting your ass, people are going to want to help you. Nobody fucking wants to help someone who talks about how fucking great they're going to be or how fucking great they used to be or talks about what they're going to do and never fucking follows through. You're only as fucking good as you are today. Nobody fucking cares about yesterday. I don't fucking care what you did yesterday. I don't care what I did yesterday. What the fuck am I going to do today to position myself to be what and who I want to be? I want to be fucking better than yesterday. I don't want to fucking talk about yesterday. I want to talk about fucking getting better today than I was yesterday. So if you're one of these people who spends a lot of fucking time talking about what you want to do but never seems to fucking execute it, do yourself and everybody else a fucking favor. Shut the fuck up. Your fucking actions will speak for you. Your fucking mouth is nothing but fucking hot air. You know, the bottom line is this. Everybody needs to hear this. Fuck, I needed to hear it. I needed to hear it a whole shitload in the early part of my life until I fucking got my shit together, stop fucking talking and start fucking doing. So, again, do yourself a fucking favor. Once you find yourself thinking about something, just fucking get up and do it. Get up and do something. Do anything other than sit there and fucking talk about what you want to do or fucking talk about what you've done in the fucking past. Ask yourself a simple fucking question. What the fuck am I gonna do today? Today. What am I gonna fucking do today to make sure that I'm better than yesterday? That is the fucking true question you must ask yourself. John Andersen bringing you a little more deep water. Sometimes the truth fucking sucks. Sometimes the truth hurts, but you need to hear it.